Good morning, everyone. Today we learn in Excel chapter number 2. We already started. Today we learn the next topic, calculations in Excel. In the last class, we see the cell referencing, about the relative cell referencing, absolute cell referencing, and mixed cell referencing. Now, today we learn about the calculation in Excel. So, this is the Excel sheet, and it is made of that group of cells. What is row and column you know very well. Now today I'll take one example. Yes, that day also we take the same example of Hollisent School, class 7th. Now see, here three subjects we have taken: English, Hindi and Maths, and the maximum marks here is 100. We have to find out the total, average and percentage. This is called the calculation. So today we see how to do the calculation in Excel. First of all, see how to find the total. See, equals to, what is the cell address of this? C5. Okay. Now we have to do the plus addition. So we put plus sign here. The next is D5. We click. Now next plus maths marks is 95 and the cell number is E5. Now after completing the formula, we have to press the enter key to know the answer. Now I'll press enter key. We get 252. Okay. Again see, in the next cell, equals to, I have to find out the total marks of John. So equals to, cell of English is C6. Now plus symbol. Then next cell of Hindi. When you click here, it will take automatically the cell address. Okay. When we click, it will present D6. Now again we have to press plus symbol. Then we know the marks of maths. Again we click in the max cell. Then it will, the cell name is E6. Now we get the formula equals to C6 plus D6 plus E6. Now we press the enter key to get the answer. We get the answer 241. Okay. Now see how to find the average. Equals to, you all know how to find the average. First of all, we have to add the numbers, or we add the cells. Okay. So here we add the cell of English, Hindi and Maths. See, English cell number is C5. Now plus, again Hindi marks is in the cell D5. Then again plus, max marks is in E5. Now we have to put the bracket here. I'll put here bracket. Then after bracket, division symbol. So here 3 marks are there, 3 subjects are there: English, Hindi and Maths. So total 3 subjects, we have to divide by 3. Okay. After completing this formula, we have to press the enter key. So what is the average here? 84. Or you can find like this also. Already we found the total of this subjects. So you can find like this also. Equals to, click in the total box, that is total cell, that is F6. Now we have total 3 subjects, so divide by 3. Then also we get the average. Hope you all understood. Now to find the percentage. So how to find the percentage? Equals to, first of all, for percentage we know the mark, we know the total of this subject. Okay. So here we already find out the total of this subject. that is 252. So the cell address here is F5. Now this F5 is, keep it in bracket. Now this F5 is divided by how much? Here total 3 subjects and each subject having maximum marks 100. So 100 for 3 subject it will be 300. That's why we have to divide it by 300, bracket close. And for finding out the percentage we have to use the multiplication by 100. So we get the percentage. Now after completing the formula, press the enter key. We get the percent. Here also see again I'll put the formula equals to total. First of all put the bracket, then this cell address. What is the cell address? F6. F6 is divided by total marks. Total maximum marks is 300. Now bracket close and put the cross symbol. Here we can use star because in keyboard there is no multiplication symbol. Now divided by 100 for the percentage. Now press, after completing, press enter key. We get the percentage here. Now hope you all clear this, how to do the calculation in Excel. Now in your book next topic is copying the formula. How to copy the formula. So if you want to copy this formula, see the formula here equals to C5 plus D5 plus E5. If you want to copy this formula, click this cell and then right click here, click on the copy. Then you need the answer in this cell. Okay, so again right click here. See, right click here and then paste. There is no option of paste. Again we check, right click here, copy, then here right click, then paste. Now see what is the answer? 245. Click here, see the formula already changed, C7 plus D7 plus E7. For this the formula is C5 plus D5 plus E5. Here automatically change. This is, we already learned this. This is in relative cell referencing. We copying all the formulas. Okay. Now if I want to copy this formula, okay. Again see, if you want to copy, again right click here, click here and then right click, then copy, and here you can paste it. Okay, or in the last class we learned just stretch it, drag and drop, then also you will get the formula and answer. You can do like this also. See, click here, right click, copy, then click here, right click, paste. Okay, in this way you can find out the average, or you can get this plus sign, then drag and drop, then also you'll get the answer. This is also the way to copy the formula. See, here we click copy and then paste. In this way you can copy and paste your formula, or you can drag and drop to get the answer. Hope you all clear. Here our calculation and copying in answer topic is over. Okay.